What's it been like this winter compared to this morning?
Fabulous.
Yeah.
Hardly a winter.
Yeah.
But this is the crappy kind of push because it's heavy and wet.
And it's been tough. We had issues with our generator too, so it's been tough.
Do you like the snow?
Do you like the snow? Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit.
There's a lot of branches down, branches that didn't come down with the ice a couple weeks ago, and then were weakened have come down now for sure.
Oh yeah, look. Oh, I hope I didn't wait too long. Uh-oh. All right, go put your boots on, bud.
Why?
The wind was blowing it across on the diagonal. It came down that way. She was waiting at the corner for the light, and it came down right across her car. They were using the jaws of life. They were using the saws that they have, and the ambulances were right there right away. They grabbed her, put her in an ambulance, took them off right away.